Arrive in style with this Chevrolet 2004 Avalanche 1500 base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include smooth ride suspension package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC, manual dual-zone air conditioning and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.